I got into it by accident, and then it consumed me kind of like comedy. Stand-up comedy in the 80s and 90s, stand-up comedy in Boston really took off like a bat out of hell. It was even bigger than New York back then. When you find the passion of something you love, you can't get enough of it.
I tell people they can differentiate themselves in any given space without having to put on big floppy clown shoes.
She got on stage and did a 10-minute comedy routine. I helped her with a few jokes. She wrote her own. And when she got off stage, it was as if her whole world lit up. If you can do that at the age of 19 in a dark room with people you don't know, your confidence goes off the charts. No matter where you are in the world, people want to feel comfortable when they're talking to you. They don't want to feel threatened. They don't want to feel under pressure. What humor and understanding your audience and reading a room, what that does for you is really give you, like in comedy, you have to read the room within 10 seconds, right? What type of room am I in? So the comedy and the understanding of that human dynamic has just helped me not only in sales, but every aspect of life. People at work, I'm in a new job here. It's only been 6 months. I'm like the office where everybody wants to hang out in because they just know that they feel comfortable around me. They trust me. They know that I have no hidden agenda. We're not curing cancer, my friend. We're just two people trying to do business together, make sense of it, and make some money and be successful.
I remember reading some research by gong.io a while back, which was that when you swear, after a prospect has sworn on a call and you reciprocate in a similar manner with the swearing, the trust level goes through the roof and the sales, I can't remember the exact percentage, but the likelihood for conversion goes through the roof because you've shared that moment together. When you make someone smile, they remember how you made them feel. But unless we're having fun while we get there, and enjoying ourselves and helping other people enjoy their sometimes very dull lives.
Yeah, people I meet after a long time or people I used to work with, they don't remember as much about the business, but they remember how I made them feel, how I made them laugh, and how I took a serious situation and made it lighthearted. No one cares about your company. They care about what your company can do for them.